Nothing ruins the summer vibe quite like a dirty pool. A little wind comes through, and then you have to clean it all over again. And a skimmer only does so much. If you want to take your pool from this to this and keep it that way without constantly having to clean it, you should check out the WYBOT S2 Pro. It's a wireless robot pool cleaner with a double filtration system, ready for even the dirtiest pool. All you have to do is attach this 3M strip, make sure there's 10 centimeters from the top to the water level. Wait 48 hours and attach the docking station. Plug it into a nearby outlet, then attach your WBot to the docking station to let it charge. Then with a click of a button, your WBot will get to work. There are 7 different cleaning modes, both with the vacuum on the bottom and the port on top. You can control it from the docking station or use their amazing app to input information about your pool and get custom settings like cleaning schedules, area parameters, and more. I let this pool get very dirty because I really wanted to test the limits of this product, and I was shocked that it picked up everything. And it wasn't even thrown off by goggles and diving toys. I actually let it run while my family was in the pool. It didn't feel like it was in the way, and it was actually really fun to watch him pick up dirt. Once we saw that it was all done, we clicked a button and called him back up to the docking station. Then we were able to take it out and check the basket. Like I said, this pool was so dirty, and look at how much it picked up. Then I just rinsed it off with the hose, put it back in, and let him keep going. With the ability to set up cleaning schedules, be it weekly or even every other day, and the fact that it returns to its own charging station really makes this a set it and forget it product. Which, as any pool owner will tell you, cleaning and maintenance on a pool is both time consuming and expensive. So the WBot is a huge lifesaver, especially during the summer when you want to use your pool and not just be constantly maintaining it. Plus, due to a breakthrough of technology in underwater Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the robot via app even when it's submerged. This is a feature that is totally unique to WBot, and you are not going to find it with any other robotic floor cleaner. And now that it's had a good run through my entire pool, let's take another look at those before and afters. Remember just how bad this pool was before? And here's after. I didn't even realize that it could look this clear. It is absolutely crystal. The WBot S2 Pro did an amazing job, and I love knowing that it's going to be going off every couple of days and keeping it this clean. That way I can just enjoy the pool instead of constantly worrying about cleaning it. So thank you so much to WBot for sponsoring this video.